is Slack-Jaw Sammy. He's got a magnet in his jaw, so you can actually have him like bite you and have the jaw come off and then puppeteer his tongue. Pops right back in. Or you can give him a punch. And his sound system is down inside of him. And you got 4 buttons right under his shirt here. I can feel them. So I got 4 different zombie sounds, including like attack and creepy breathing, and one where he says brains. And my hand goes up in his head. This comes with this hoodie. There's a harness built in that his hands actually snap to. We've got snaps built in. Comes with a fake fist. Actually is velcroed in. You can take the fist out and wash the hoodie. And Sammy's also available in full body version too. This one's got this is the X-Rott, which is extreme rot. We've got this is also premium with the shoulder exposed and his exposed spine, and lots of grime.